Hi, it's Andrew and Tamara back again. Today we're going to make 3 different versions of Scotch egg, just for fun. So first of all, we've got to boil the eggs. And we're going to do hard boiled, and Tamara got this little invention thing that's supposed to boil the eggs. For some reason it does 7.
Oh yeah, weird.
And it comes with these...
That's probably why it was on sale.
Yeah, it comes with this little measuring jug, so you know exactly how much water. It says soft, medium, or hard. We're going with hard boiled. And then there's a little needle thing on the bottom, and it says you puncture the large end of the egg with it, and that end is the end that goes up. And I already prepped the others, so they'll just all go in there. And it says this takes approximately 12 minutes. Huh. Now it also says don't lock it because you won't get it open again without burning yourself. So you've got that, and you just turn it on here. And once all the water is evaporated, it switches itself off apparently, and it goes beep. So we'll see.
Oh,
so
nice.
While that is cooking, while that's getting ready, I have all this ground pork. Now I'm not going to use all of this pork. There's about 3 pounds here. I'm only going to use 1 pound of it. And I ground it earlier with this little toy. And I'll go over in the future different ways of making sausage, because I used to make sausage all the time. I still make it, but yeah. So we've got a lot of stuff that goes in this. Now you can just use the regular sausage, pound of sausage, or just even sausage in the skin and take out the skin, whatever you want. I just like to make my own. And it has a lot in it. There's chili powder and smoked paprika. We've got English mustard, which is a hotter mustard. Then ground nutmeg, white pepper, black pepper.
Let's look at this.
White pepper, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, some Worcestershire sauce, which will give a big old splash in that. Yeah, I like that stuff. It's also, back in England, you just call it Worcester sauce. And then we have, what's this again? Basil, isn't it? Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
A whole bunch of basil, fresh basil out of the garden.
It smells so good.
Yeah, that's why we're using it. Because I was going to go with sage, and I'm like, no, this smells so much better. And oh yes, I nearly forgot, got some brown sugar as well. It goes in there. So everything's just going to go in here. And I will mix all this up. And once the eggs are ready, we'll come back and show you how to make them. Okay, so the eggs are supposed to be ready. We've never used this before, so we'll see. We've got the ice bath all ready for them to go into, and they'll sit in that ice bath for like 5 minutes or so, cool down, and it helps to peel the eggs off. And you know, an older egg actually peels a lot more easily. And the way you can tell that egg is still good is you just stick it in water. If it floats, it's no good. If it sinks, you can use it still.
It's so fresh, yeah.
And that's how that goes. So we'll just leave these go for 5 minutes. Now, while that was cooking, I actually got that pound of pork and separated it out into 6 roughly equal sizes to wrap the eggs in. We'll do that after, once they've cooled. We've got the flour, egg wash, which is 2 eggs and some water. Now this is where we're going to experiment. This is just your regular breadcrumbs with some salt and pepper. This one we're going to do with 2 of them with Cheetos to see what that's like. So that's going to be our Scottish American eggs. And this one here is one that Tamara wanted to try.
The chicharron, the pork skins.
Yeah, chili lime pork rinds. So we're going to do Mexican Scotch eggs.
Yeah,
okay,
that'll work.
So I'm going to peel the eggs, and then we'll start wrapping things up. All right, so the eggs came out really nice. They shelled very easily. You know, you just put them into the running water and take the shell off. And they all cooked perfectly. I'm very happy with that. We'll have to use that again,
Yeah.
as long as it's hard boiled all the way through and it just soft boil and everything else. To say we've got these fairly evenly put together there. What you want to do is put some in the saran wrap, like that. And then we're going to pat it out. We want to be pretty thin, even and thin, to go on the egg. Because if it's too thick, it just cracks and it doesn't work very well. And it still tastes good, but we've got that like that. And we'll get the egg, put it in there, and use the saran wrap to work it over, like that.
Yeah, makes it
And
easy.
you just got to be very gentle with it. And take it round, and then just go around on it, and you may want to pinch some off, because as I say, you don't want it to be too thick, but you want the entire egg to be covered. You don't want any cracks. Try and get rid of all the cracks. And we're going to put them on the tray, and we'll start off with some flour. I just want to roll it in the flour, like that. And this makes really nice anytime food, I think. And it's good for picnics as well,
Yep.
because it can be eaten cold. And we're going to put it in the egg. And I don't mind getting my hands in the eggs. Now we're going to go with the breadcrumbs and get it covered in breadcrumb, like that. Now some people will double dip them, so they'll go back into the egg and then back again. And I think that's looking pretty good.
Yeah, it does.
Now we'll just put it on there while the air fryer, we're going to use an air fryer instead of deep frying, and we're just going to let that preheat. So when I finish them all, we'll come back and we'll put them in there and see how they go. Okay, so Tamara, in her infinite wisdom, said that what I needed to do is actually do one of each and just see how they go with one of each, because it's all different textures, thicknesses, and everything else, and see how well they coat. And they may need double coating. We'll see.
Yeah, we'll see.
But the first two are nice.
Oh yeah, these were the regular breadcrumb.
Yeah. And yeah, and I'm just going to pinch a little bit off that as well. I don't want it to be too thick. As I say, we want to make sure it's all, there's no gaps, everything's all nice and solid, like a nice ball. So back to the flour again.
Mm-hmm.
And this is just regular flour, nothing special. To the egg. And then we're going to try
The Cheetos.
the Cheetos. See how we do with the Cheetos. Will the Cheetos stick properly? Oh yeah, look at that.
They're really good. It sticks better than anything.
Oh yeah. I wasn't sure that I was going to have to double dip, but no.
Oh no, those are good.
That is really, yeah, that's stuck on there nicely. We'll put it there. And we'll come back after we've done that. After I've done that one, we'll come back for the chicharron thingies.
Oh.
Okay, so these are the three different versions, and the chicharron one, we actually double dip that one just to see
if it's
if it does any better. And we're using a Ninja air fryer. No, we're not sponsored.
I love it though.
Tamara got this a while ago. It was a prize. And I already preheated it for 10 minutes. And we're going to put them in here. I got some oil in the bottom.
Yeah, I love all the Ninja products.
Three
They're
on
all
one
really
side.
good.
And it shouldn't affect the flavour because I'm keeping them separated. Like that. And we're going to put these in there at 375. This is a match cook roast at 375. And the timer, I'm actually only going to give it 5 minutes. I'm going to check them. turn them over, and then give them another 5. So we'll see how they turn out.
Yes, this air fryer has been amazing. It's one of our favorite things. And shout out to Ninja.
Okay, we're back again. Hopefully you're still with us. This is the original version. It would come out better, I think, it was deep fried, the colouring. But it comes out good anyway. I've had them out with the air fryer before, they're fine. This is the one with the Cheetos, which looks really good. And this is the chicharron, the pork rinds with chili and lime. So we're going to cut into them and see what they're like on the inside.
Oh, wow.
And we're going to taste them.
Good.
Oh, look, yes, they did a nice job of boiling that.
Yeah.
I mean, hard boiling it.
Yeah, looks good.
Is that one?
That's the original.
It's the original. And it's nice, and this is nice and crunchy as well.
And cheesy.
Yeah. So that's...
Yeah, that looks good.
And this is the chicharron one.
And this is a double dipped one?
Yeah, this is actually double dipped.
Oh, looks nice too.
Okay, so they all look good. Now, if you don't mind, leaving a comment and like and subscribe if you're still here, please. It all helps.
Yeah, we're gonna taste test them.
It's for the cats. Okay, so there's that. A serrated knife works best for this because of the crunchiness. It keeps it there. So we'll try. No, it's good. It tastes like a regular Scotch egg.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
It tastes like a regular Scotch egg. Now we'll go with the cheesy one. See how this one goes. Cheetos, the American Scottish egg.
Yeah. So how is it?
I've got a mouthful of food. It's good. I think I'd probably try and double dip that one if possible.
Yeah, okay. Well, we're experimenting, so.
But no, it's good. It's really crunchy.
We like that.
And you can taste the cheese. And now the last one, the Mexican Scottish egg. And the eggs did actually come out really well. They're very evenly, very nicely done. Yep, that's good as well. I'd make them all again.
Okay, I also tried these, and the original's delicious, as usual. And the Cheeto and chili lime pork rinds. The flavors weren't super different, but I would say that the Cheeto one, you could taste the cheese on it, and I'd still like to try it with the flaming cheese Cheetos. I think it would be kind of cool. But anyway, they're all three absolutely delicious.
And the Cheeto one was actually the crunchiest.
Yeah, it's the crunchiest, and double dipped, it would be awesome. And I would say, yeah, let's try the flaming one next time.
Okay, so that's it for us for tonight. Thank you for watching.
Yes, thanks for watching.
Stay tuned. I'm going to try and get more consistent with putting these things out. It's just tough. That's my excuse.
No, we've got a lot going on.
And Tamara's too nice. She's not mean enough to me. Okay, thanks.
Okay, thanks
See
for
you again
watching.
soon. Bye.
Bye. Like she's moving it. Oh, now she's like, I'm above this.